Hello kids, welcome to a new tutorial. Today we're going to talk about social media, but something different than we already learned in class. Today, we are going to learn about online privacy, internet safety and security tips for kids. We are going to learn a new way in which we have to use social media. It's going to be an example, okay? Let's see. So this is the story about David. I am going to narrate this story, okay? Once upon a time, a kid who was in 5th grade was about to celebrate his birthday. Today is my birthday, he says. I'm going to post a story. Let's meet outside school, he puts in the story. Happy birthday, say his friends. And he asks, do you want to take a selfie? David was very happy. And now he's going to post about his basketball practice. Hey guys, let's shoot some hoops. Basketball court at 4. That means practicing basketball in the school gym. The next story David posts says the following. I'll be waiting for you, that means to all his friends, at my place to celebrate. That means at his house. This is my address and my phone number. So he includes the address and phone number on the story. Then David got in the bus. When all of a sudden, someone in the bus talks to him. And they tell him, Happy birthday, David, but he doesn't know who that is. And this person says, You're very popular, aren't you? You have lots of friends. You use chats and social media all the time. They know everything about you. What you like, when your birthday is, who your friends are, the sport you play, which is basketball. But they could also know your phone number because you posted it, and where you live. Have you ever thought that what you share online can be seen by others, by people you don't know? Then David decided to delete this story. Kids, please remember to take great care of everything that you share online, just as David. Especially personal information and photos. Share with care. Now let's go celebrate. David's friends are waiting for him. It's his birthday. Remember, pictures and information that you post online can be easily reshared by many other people that you don't know. So this information or photos can be there online for a long time. Be careful when you post anything. Don't share phone numbers, addresses, or personal details about you or your family. This information could be used wrongly by others, especially people you don't know. Always check the privacy settings on the apps you use. We can do this, as you know, guys, with Instagram and with Facebook. And now, do you have any questions? Let me know what you think of this video on next class. This was just an example of David's birthday party. Now, it's your turn. Okay, go to Google Classroom to the assignment Worksheet 19. There, you will find a picture of a social media puzzle. And we're going to practice some of the collocations that we learned in class. What you have to do is print it and copy and paste it on your notebook, just as you see here. When you finish, take a photo and upload it to the Google Classroom assignment. And that is all for today. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye, kids.